All right, fellas. Cody, all right?
Yeah, I'm just ready to go.
I know. Plans changed. We're at Lake X today. This was where we were planning to go, but we were planning to bring somebody else. They had to cancel last second. So I think what we're going to do, last time we were here with Keaton, we caught 1344 best 5. The goal today is to beat 1344 between us. That's it. That's it. Simple stuff, but we're both eager to fish, so we're gonna go to the first spot and get fishing. All right, fellas, we're at the first spot. I'm gonna go ahead and get the net ready, Cody. We're gonna need it here pretty quick, I think. So, but just to be precautionary, we have gotten here and cracked one in the first 2 minutes, and I have the net out. So, I think we're both gonna start with some topwater. This is a pretty good topwater lake, so sometimes they really eat it. We are probably gonna throw some big swim baits today. We both bought a shad recently, and we're both pretty eager to use that, but I think we're gonna try to catch some good ones today. See that other one, older model too, there was a blow up. Missed it. Tie your frog on.
Yeah, I know.
I kind of want to.
I do too. Fuck it. I'll do it while you're fishing this channel. Chanel.
Oh.
There's that.
Oh, it's in the map. Daddy's gonna have to tie on one himself. Well, fellas, we just saw a blow up in the map. So I'm gonna try frog for a minute. I have not thrown a frog in so long. Good Lord, what a turtle, son.
Where'd he go?
He was right there.
I think he still is. No, he's not.
If that's him, that's a big one, son. There's a big bluegill. There's some bluegill. Right in there. There he is. I spooked him.
He's gonna get you.
I doubt it. Hey, I doubt.
How you do this?
What? Interesting.
Yeah.
Broke me off.
Holy shit.
Just hide, man. Brand new frog.
Dang.
He bit it.
You think he'll hit again? No.
I like to see him jump and spit it. Bro, like, come on. Braid, 65 pound, broke off on a frog hook set. Come on. All right, well, I'm rigged back up. Somehow broke one off on 65 pound braid. Decent frog bite. Don't think it was a super big fish. Cody's having trouble. But I'm down to my last popping frog now, so 'tis what it is. All right, Cody, let's go. Before somebody else gets to it.
I think Aubrey already did.
All right, fellers, we've moved a little bit. Oh, there was a bunch of fish in this cut. When we were here a couple weeks ago, they were all garden fry, and I'm seeing something bust on the point. I'm gonna start with frog, I think, off this point. It's a real shallow point, but it drops real quick. But just saw some activity right on the top of it. So I'm gonna chuck a frog across it, see if one wants to eat. If not, I'm probably gonna pick up a mag draft or maybe the shad. We'll see. Well, let's buzz back into the back of this, throw a frog, and we're gonna be 0 for 2 if we don't catch one.
Is that one guy did on it?
Is that what he said?
Yeah, that's what he called it.
Well, I know that, but I'm...
Nah, he just...
There's one.
You got him, son?
I got him. He got it pretty good. Well, there we go. Frogfish first. First frogfish of the year.
Kind of leader, this guy. Sabotage, and that's what he does to me. Just kidding.
Well,
yeah, it's funny, ain't it?
I don't think he's going to help us in our, you know, prestige to catch a bigger bag than last time. But it's a start. Got the skunk out of the boat at least, for one of us. He ate it good. He's got a hook in his throat.
Well,
he does. See?
He sure does.
I can't get it out. It's too deep. He's already swallowed it, but at least they cut the line, so that's good. I would try to get it out, but there ain't nothing I can do with it there. Well, It's a start. 165, I'll take it. I'm gonna let that one go though. He's probably about 15 inches. Solid keeper in most lakes in this state. Dude, he clobbered that. For real though. He hit that hard. Did you see it? I knew it wasn't a big one.
I saw it last second. I was like, oh, okay.
I knew it wasn't a big one though. Like he hit it and I was like, yeah, it's not very big. I'm just gonna go to the dam right now. I almost don't even want to fish back out. Do we want to fish back out?
No, we don't.
Okay. Yeah, let's move. Do it to it. Alright guys, we made it to the dam. Cody, what are you gonna throw?
The Ned rig.
The Ned rig. I'm gonna throw a jig. Just throw something a little bigger than Cody's throwing, but we've got to that point where we're gonna fill out a limit now, or at least try to. The morning bite's kind of over and done with, so I'm gonna see what we can get into here.
Dylan gets 8 by a 5 pounder.
Calling Daddy Captain.
Me ducket broke. Dylan, look.
Oh, that's a good one too, Cody.
He's still on it. Oh, dude, he was like a 4. Oh, no.
I'd say he's a little smaller than that, but yeah, that's a good one.
Shit, I thought he looked giant.
I'd say he's about 3. They look just so much bigger in the water than they actually are. Is what I've learned.
Bro, I gave him every chance in the world. Oh, it makes me so sick. Pretty decent one too. Yeah.
Prices, I said, it sucks. You got a big one, don't you?
Yeah, I do. God, he won't quit digging.
What's that on Ned?
The wacky worm.
Wacky one?
Dude, I can't even pull him anymore.
He's buried in the ground.
Yeah, I know.
Get up here next to me.
Yeah.
See if we can work him out.
Yeah, he's about to come out of it.
It's actually good.
Yeah.
Think so? Oh yeah, it is pretty good. Just working real slow.
All right. Good shit, Dylan. Thank you.
Yeah, he's probably a 3-ish, maybe a little bigger.
Thanks, man. All we gotta do is have a call. Every time it works.
Yeah, I'd say he's probably 3.5.
There you
I
go.
don't think he's quite 4, but it's pretty good. So you're telling me I just need to pick a wacky one?
Absolutely.
I'm devastated by that. Golly, son.
I don't understand it.
It's so easy.
It looks that way, but it's not for me. Yeah, you do it, Dad. I'll get this cleaned up. Get a picture with it. I reckon.
$3.24.
All right. We'll let her go.
Well, guys, Cody finally cracked a good one there. He caught on a wacky worm. I'm gonna throw a Texas rig Cinco. I don't really want to do this, but it is it's pretty tough today, so I'm gonna at least give it a try for a little bit here. Mine will look a little different than his, but they gotta eat something. It's about to turn into a drowning creek day. Dude, look at the wave that thing is putting on them damn shad. Look at that.
Holy shit. Oh
I wish we could get up here close enough to it so the GoPro can actually see it. I hope we can. That's nutty. Y'all see this tidal wave? Oh my gosh. Tell me that GoPro can catch that.
It don't put you in front of it.
It's just so far away, but
I know.
that is nuts. These birds just pushing these freaking shad around like nobody's business. What's my next move?
Yeah.
Boat ramp.
Yeah. You keep fishing drop shot about I'll organize the boat.
Nope, I'm done. I'm done. Guys, horrible day. They just really aren't feeding. Tons of bait. I mean, we've been around bait the entire day. All right, ladies and gents. We have made it to where we're fishing. It's another little small creek close to home. Took the boat home and have finally made it. We're gonna walk down to it here. Cody, you excited?
I am, because we're gonna catch a bunch.
We probably will. Got a few hours, not a whole lot of time, but a decent amount. We're gonna see what we can do.
This creek doesn't stretch far, so we're good.
Yeah, it's true. Now, this creek actually is semi-notorious for holding some good ones. We might catch like an actual like 2-pounder out of here, maybe.
I'll watch you for a minute.
All right, we're here. Cody, what color are you starting with, buddy? What are you throwing?
Gonna throw those tried and true copper tricks for a good time.
Copper truce. I'm starting with new money just because it's what I had on. There's a bluegill looking at it. There's a bluegill attacking it. I got the bluegill. I lost the bluegill. I'm kind of okay with that. Since we ain't caught a fish yet, guys, just for reference, our best two were 489, which isn't too bad for 2 fish, but yeah, we gave up. Some days it's just not worth the battle.
Yeah, this was water last time.
That's how it always is when I fish it. Low. This is normal pool. Yeah. There's one. First cast in this hole. Little smallie.
Molly water.
Actually, yeah, it's a smallie. Okay. They look a little different in this creek. All of these lead to the Kentucky River, guys. I don't know if I've ever even said that, but yeah, another little small one. See, buddy?
Where else will they lead?
Chili. Oh, well, Cody caught the first one. That's a little red eye, man. That one's tiny.
I don't know.
He's cute, though.
You take him home?
I don't. See, bud? All right, guys, we caught one out of that hole. I missed another one. He caught a little red eye, so not terrible. Gonna keep walking. I did spook something huge in here.
I'd say you did.
I doubt it was a bass. That smallie?
It is.
It is.
We got us a smallie guy.
Bam. Cool.
Here he is, fellers. One last time. See, fellers? Oh, he's going.
Another one, huh? That's a little bass, too.
It is.
Little smallie.
They get smaller, ain't they? Come on, baby.
He's adorable.
He is. Samuel Smalley. There you go. This little freaking minnow chasing that worm the whole time. What were you gonna do to it, dude?
Eat it. Eat it.
I mean, the bait was bigger than the minnow. He's like, you better get away. Look at this. Got a little bluegill's got in his mouth. Eat a little deeper. Come on. Get the hook. Get the hook.
Watch that happen.
I know.
And he's gone. That was pretty interesting.
It was. I'll admit that.
There he is. Oh, pulled off.
Dang it, we're gonna double up.
That was a pretty good bite, too.
This is a creek chub.
You got a creek chub?
No, it's a little sucker actually.
Oh, dang. I wanted to see
I
him.
know, I did too. I was about to hold him.
That's pretty cool. He bite it?
He definitely tried to. It was around his, like it hooked him close to the gill.
Oh, really?
I
Huh.
kept feeling it. He hit it.
Interesting.
That was a red eye.
Oh, my God.
Was he good?
Yes, he's good. Biggest one today so far, if I can catch him. I see him. This is not him. That's a red eye.
Pretty decent size red eye.
There's two smallies there though.
See, I saw those earlier. One looked like a largie. I was telling you where they were.
Oh,
Don't get too curious, fella.
he's nosing it. Oh. God dang it, man. Took it. Took my freaking. Do you have a worm out right now?
I can get you one real quick.
Here, just get my box out. Man, I've missed that fish 3 times. See, buddy. That little red eye, guys.
Red eye guy.
He is the red eye guy.
Smallmouth are now.
I'm assuming they probably moved into this side of the hole.
Exactly. I'll let you cast first, by God. Red eye.
You are the red eye master.
Another red eye.
But there is running water coming out of it.
Another red eye. Oh my goodness, it's so fun though.
I think you're just catching the same one over and over.
Yeah, I know. You got one look at it. Smalley. Just staring at it. Got it. Hey,
Pretty good.
that's some teamwork right there, buddy.
Yeah, he sight fished that one for me. I couldn't even see it. What's up, buddy?
Seriously, that's the highlight of the day for me. That was awesome.
Cody just sight fished my fish for me.
I said, he's got it. He's staring at it.
Pretty good one too. He's probably about, what, 11?
Another red eye?
Huh?
Nothing.
11 inch.
Measuring or nah?
Nah.
We're looking for ones that are almost, 20 inches. I even started drinking like this. My life sucks.
Oh!
What happened, bub?
Had a smalley like chase it all the way up to my toes. And he just didn't get it. He's getting it now though.
I think I'm about to get one.
Oh.
I know. Same thing happened to me.
I watched him have the whole thing in his mouth.
Not that time though.
It's not a bass.
It is.
Oh, it is. That's a nice one.
Yes, sir. Ooh.
Well, guys, I think you saw the catch, but I missed one there. Stopped recording. Cody caught one.
I'm probably about to get bit again, honestly.
Coming up on my favorite area of this creek. Usually in store for a decent fish off of something in this area is a hook one.
That might be this one right there. Oh.
That's not what I meant decent, but I'll take it. It is decent, but just not as decent as I want it to be. It's probably still about 10.5 or so. Not bad. Got one?
Yeah.
Is it a bass? It is a bass.
Nice touch.
Not bad, not bad. It definitely gets deeper right here.
Oh yeah, I'd say so.
I can see.
Love that stuff. Alright, here you go.
See, bud? What you got?
Like, I've been medicine.
There it is.
Red eye.
Sure is, ain't it?
Yeah. I can tell by the way it was. There's a gar.
Jar.
I have a fish. By pure accident.
I have one swimming around with it, but it's not something that's big enough to eat it. It's pretty good in there. There's always a good one in this hole.
Was that spot?
Oh, that's a largie.
It is. Sick.
There's always a good one right here.
There is.
He's a keeper. He's probably 12.5, 13 inches. Not bad, not bad.
Nah, I don't want that. You want to take a quick picture? You don't have to.
With what?
Now we can take a picture. What the? Dude! What a red eye.
Red eye. See, bud.
Alright.
Bye, buddy.
Do us a dance. That's fine too. Do us a little dance. There's a gar. There's 4 of these.
That's a largie.
You want to see a gar?
Got a little largie.
You do?
I do.
Sure do.
All right, guys. Fish number 5 for me, I think, here. See you, bud. Diddly. You got the gar?
That's off the gar.
Oh, God.
He swiped at it, buddy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, God. All right, dude, listen. Listen, let's make a compromise. No, please don't do that.
Good job.
Dude, I can't believe he actually went for it.
Oh. Oh.
I got him. I threw out about 4 gar and this guy swiped at it. Got him by chance, so that's pretty cool. So let him go.
See, bud?
What a, dang, I figured he'd like lash out right there.
Nope. Just simple swim away. Pretty good, Smiley. Not terribly huge, but not bad. Well, that's probably my biggest of the day. He's just fat. He's probably only about 10.5 inches, but super fat fish.
I think he was. That
little
was one.
Yeah, little. Oh well. They're stacked up in this hole a little bit. What you got there, buddy?
A largie.
Oh, largie. Well, he's a cute little thing.
He is. Like double up action, you know?
It is a smallie.
It is.
First legit double up of the day. Hey.
Ooh. Hey, almost the same size.
They really are.
Sick.
How many you caught now?
It's a total of 7 or 8.
7 or 8. That was my 7th.
Dude, that was instant.
Is it good?
Pretty decent little guy.
That was pretty good.
That's as soon as it hit the water.
Largie too. Skinny, but he's probably like 10.
That's number 8 for sure.
Not bad. See, bud? Got one?
Yep.
You little smallie.
I'll take it. Chunky. Little size.
About doubled up.
I'll let you catch him.
Yeah, I don't even think it's a bass.
Oh, never mind.
See, buddy?
He just left the building, dude. He's out.
Yeah, it's not.
Of course not. Good spot, good spot. No way.
That's my whole leader too. You know my luck.
I got mine.
I do too, but
I know.
that was a good bite. Always and forever. Can't have a good time. Well, Cody caught another.
Sorry.
It's all good. So he had my bait in his mouth?
No, unfortunately.
Yeah, mine was bigger than that, I think. What does that make you?
I think that's 11.
11? See, buddy?
Sorry, I kind of zoned out because I see more sitting by that stump.
This is a deep spot. What you got?
Spot.
Really?
Yep.
Is it?
It sure is.
It is a spot. Awesome.
Trifecta.
Trifecta for Cody.
Alright, here's his release. I know you like to watch him go.
I'm looking at a spot. There's a spot literally 10 feet from me. Just teasing me. There's a spot literally. He's right next to me, man.
He's just like, hey man, let's go.
God dang, man. Like, watch them eat it. It's a good one, too.
dead baits are in the water.
Are they?
They are.
Where?
Right behind
Oh.
you. Lock keep. Those eat lock keep. Oh.
I got one. I barely got to him before he went back in.
Oh, we both.
Both largies.
Didn't mean to get him dirty. He just kind of came off.
Mine did too.
There you go.
Littlins. But see you guys. Right under a rock.
I know.
This one's hungry.
I just scared something off. Hey, there's a decent.
Got one. It's a spotty too.
Really?
Yeah, I got the trifecta.
How much you want to bet I'll double up with you?
You won't?
I won't.
I saw that happen.
I know.
Oh, he's tearing it up. Little bitty spot. Look how little he is.
He is tiny.
Double up real quick.
Yeah, I told you I would. Think it's another spot.
No, that's largy.
Oh no.
I touched him
Poor
and you
fella.
touched him. Does that mean we both get catch?
Yeah, we do.
Awesome. Cool. Oh, there's my trifecta. See you, little guy. Oh, we both finally hit double figures. Littlins, but we'll take it.
Then we should have been there miles ago.
I've just been missing them, breaking them off, all kinds of stuff.
Oh. Got it. Hell yeah, man. Nice.
That's a spot too.
It is.
That's a good spot.
Dang, that is a good one. I'm gonna get back in there. Even if the bait's messed up.
Awesome. Oh, he let his go already. Here goes my nice little pretty spot. That one's a little bigger than the last one. Golly.
I watched that.
That scared me, dude.
You almost caught you a home run catch or a hit there.
Oh, number 12 for me, a little largy.
That's cast magic. Nothing will happen, by the way.
All right, fellas. As good as this looks, it's actually terrible. We never catch fish out of the stretch, so we're gonna turn around and I think we're done for the day. We caught a few, not too bad. Caught one each at Lake X, and then what? You caught 14 here?
14 and a gar.
And I am catching 12, so not too bad. We both caught a trifecta, which is awesome. It's one of the few creeks that we fish around here that you actually have a valid chance to catch all three species. Most of them are really just smallmouth oriented. It's not terrible, but yeah, we're gonna make this long walk out and we'll catch you at the car. All right, guys, it's been a tough day. I'm pretty tired myself, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, it's a little rough.
A lot of walking, not a whole lot of sleep. It's on me, but not the worst time in the creek. I think we actually did all right in the creek. What did we end up with? We caught three more off camera.
Yeah, I got 16 total actually.
Yeah, he ended up catching 2 more. I caught 1 more, so I ended up with 13. Not the worst, but not the best we've ever done. The creek's pretty low. We didn't really anticipate that for whatever reason. Of course, Lake X was pretty tough this morning. Caught a couple of okay ones out of there, nothing special. Both of us did catch a trifecta, so that's cool. But yeah.
Oh, and a gar.
Oh yeah, and his gar. Nothing crazy, but it is what it is. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.